saying hi, I'm Nicola, and I live in the Yukon Territory in northwestern Canada. And both my husband and I read the book from Master Shao, Heal Yourself Naturally Now, last fall. And then we signed up on the Pailala website and started to watch the videos and practiced some Paida and also the Dajin on our converted table. And now I just finished a 5-session online workshop with Lan, which was really, really worthwhile. Lan provided us with great insights and ideas about Paida and guided us through Paida on the various body regions, starting from the head to the feet. And it was very good to get the rhythm from her to do the practice and learn about certain techniques and positions to make it easy to practice Paida. I thought it was great to learn about how to use certain tools like my fancy little wooden spoon on fingers, which was great for me as an avid knitter because I have a few issues with my fingers. So that was super. And I also appreciated the follow-up emails with reviews of the sessions that we could see then, and to get the ideas which meridians we addressed during the session. So I also thought it was cool that you had always a friend with you, Lan, because it was, yeah, especially Sherry. I appreciated Sherry and her frowning when you hit her. You might have to take that out of the testimony. Anyways, that was great to see how you do Paida on somebody else, and it was nice for me and my husband to learn techniques how to practice together. So yeah, for anybody interested in self-healing, I think Paida Lajin is highly recommendable. It sure has helped us to improve our health. We're bringing out quite a bit of Sha and stuff. So it's been a great experience. I'm very grateful.
Thank you.